Welcome to our exciting session on mastering AI tools, where we'll explore how to enhance your productivity through innovative technology. Stay tuned for valuable insights. What you are about to watch is a modified recording of our live AI session. We aim to cover 6 essential topics, including AI's transformative role in creating art, enhancing personal finance, streamlining daily messaging, and crafting powerful presentations. So tighten your seatbelts and get ready to dive into these meaningful insights. Before we dive in, take a look at these incredible insights generated entirely by AI. If you want to learn how these tools can revolutionize your workflow, stick around for the full video. Meet Kannan M., an AI enthusiast with 40 years of experience in computing, dating back to the days of MS-DOS. Join Kannan as he guides you down the AI path, sharing valuable knowledge and insights. In addition to being an AI trainer, Kannan is also the author of insightful personal finance books. Discover more about his works available on Amazon, designed to empower your financial journey. And now, we move from this introduction to the main presentation, delivered in Kannan's own voice. Stay tuned until the end for a glimpse of what AI can truly do for you. Let's dive into the session.
Now coming to AI, as I told you, I am going to cover 6 key topics. Every topic I spent around 6 to 7 minutes, so totally 40 minutes. This first is enhancing communications. How you can type in WhatsApp, how you can create emails, how you can improve your messages, how you can create your wonderful captions. All those things are available for free and plenty in the internet. It is plenty. All are reputed tools. Number one in the market, like Google or OpenAI or Copilot or Mistral, Claude, certain things you may not have heard, but they are very powerful. So you can use it for WhatsApp messages, you can use it for professional messages, you can use it for any presentation headings or anything. It is very powerful. This message was created by AI tool. And second thing, for any social media content or your PowerPoint presentations, you can create any number of images. Both images are created by AI. And several of my WhatsApp messages for this session was created by only AI. Within seconds, not even minutes, within seconds you can create it only by giving text. The jargon is text to image. You can create any image using text. That is a wonderful category of this text to images. Both are created by text images. I will show 1 or 2 demos. Third one, already Jayachandran is asking, this is using Meta AI. For this presentation, I recently released one YouTube. I am running a YouTube channel also. For that, I have done a video for SIP versus bank deposits. Which slides, what is the heading, what is subheading is given by Meta AI. Meta AI is nothing but a Facebook or WhatsApp AI. This AI actually I created using Meta. All these 12 slides, heading is given. It is normally called in corporate jargons, it is called a framework. This framework was given by AI. AI has given me 12 headings. AI has given me 12 subheadings. AI has given me images. AI has given me voiceover. I am the director. I combined all these things. I released my video. A lot of my relatives, my friends told me to create video. I have hesitation. Now with the help of AI, I am able to create these presentations using AI. So for presentations, AI will help you to create the framework. It will give all the captions for you. How to do, I will show the hands-on demo. And somebody is asking, I need a personal finance advice. So here I have taken a screenshot. Even for my relatives are joined in the call. For even US, what is the type of fund we can select, it will give. Another beauty is, it can give it in local language. AI can speak 100 languages as per Google Gemini. This I have taken a screenshot of Tamil, I have taken a screenshot of English. But as per Google Gemini, it can handle 100 languages in the world. So it is very powerful. In any language you can ask questions. Even sometimes you can ask mixed questions. Part of the prompt, normally they will call it as a prompt. Part of the prompt in English, part of the prompt in Tamil, that also possible. It will understand. It will give answer. You can give instruction, give the answer in Tamil or give the answer in English, it will 100% follow your instructions. Now coding. As I told you, I am not a full-time coder, but I used coding nowadays. I am a freelancer. I understand coding. So I understand coding. I started using for my blogs and everything. I created a lot of HTML code. This is the sample code I created using ChatGPT, and the screen also I will show. What is the final screen? And if you are not interested in any of the high tech, just you want to spend time. Earlier it was not possible. Nowadays with the OpenAI as well as Copilot, they release the versions. Copilot sometimes it is working only for paid people. As on date, Android, OpenAI, ChatGPT will work. This is a screen. You can just talk. No need to type anything. Normally typing is very difficult. Even Bill Gates has written a book at the speed of thought. Similarly, whatever you want to ask, just click the mic button, you start. You can talk about God, you can talk about science, you can talk about AI, anything under the earth or anything under the sun, you can ask the questions. General answers, it will mostly it is correct. Only if it is a very too complicated, too complex, too mathematical, that is a question of doubt. So one fine warning or final warning is, whatever AI is telling, it is not 100% true. It may be 80%, 90%, 60%. Various benchmarks are available. That also available in the internet. ChatGPT or most of the AI tools are very bad in maths, but they are very good in English. They are very good in whatever already written there in the world, because it is having 7 trillion data, 8 trillion data, 9 trillion data. They are trained. So all this data they will give correct answers. If you are going to ask some calculus or very advanced mathematics, it may answer, but you have to recheck whether it is good or bad. Similarly, the latest data, it may not accurately answer. If yesterday Ratan Tata passed away 2 or 3 days back, sometimes it will show correctly, sometimes it will not. Because every AI chatbot is having their own limitations, whether it is live or whether it is searchable, so many things are there. That is a separate topic I don't want to touch upon. But only warning is, don't believe AI 100%. Before clicking the send button or you are going to use it in your official or personal work, reread everything. So these are the 6 things we are supposed to cover. Now we will go one by one. Already we spent 15 minutes. So we will cover one by one. AI for everyday communication. So this, a lot of people aren't aware that if you go to WhatsApp, or one blue color icon will be there. This is nothing but Meta AI. It will always float, or at least like individual person. Is anybody logging in? Welcome, Annamalai. So you are not late. At least you are joined in the right slide. So this is the WhatsApp. In the WhatsApp, if you go, I think it is across the globe. Currently, I am in Australia. I am able to see in Australia. Available in India also. Definitely it is available in US. Anything is introduced only in US. Only other person I know, one person is from UAE. So the blue color circle is Meta AI. So you can talk to Meta AI, or you can ask for any WhatsApp sessions or anything. It will give like this. Okay, right now I will show the live demo. This is my WhatsApp screen. This window, if you click it, it will show. Now you can ask, say hello to my participants. It is test. Immediately answer. Test confirmed. Is this for a webinar? It is asking me question. Okay, like that, you no need to log in anywhere. Just go. Everybody is very comfortable with WhatsApp across the world. Just go to WhatsApp, click the blue color button, and whatever you want to ask, you can ask the Meta AI. Meta AI is open source. For people like Sridhar, OpenAI is the proprietary model, whereas Meta AI is open source. Okay, so this is one use. You can use it in WhatsApp, blue color circle. This is normally This screen also I will show. This is generally this screen is called Copilot. This is available in Edge. Immediately the sidebar will open. Here also you can ask anything. Normally what I am typing is called prompt. Those who are new to AI, this is called prompt. Here also we can type the same. Or if somebody wants to tell me the question, you tell me the question, I will get the live demo or live answer for your question. Anybody wants to, don't chat, clear your mic and ask the question very short and sweet, which can be publicly demonstrated.
How to prepare a presentation?
It's a very complex question. It will give a very big answer. How to prepare a presentation using AI. Somebody is trying to log in.
Sir, for board meeting, how to make presentation for board meeting?
Okay. I'm going to take everything now. It will take long time. I will teach you today how to use. You can do all your trial and errors. And if anybody wants any support, just I will give my number. You can WhatsApp. I am fond of teaching everybody. That is the reason I am today taking class. I will personally teach you even one-on-one, not a problem at all. It has given a video link. It has given steps, everything. Okay. 1 minute. Somebody is trying to log in. Anybody is trying? Okay. This is the one example. I have shown WhatsApp. I have shown a presentation. And email also we can write. Email Copilot. We had to pay $30 per month in US or India. Gemini also introducing a paid model, but I am the member through their Google Lab test. In Google, there is one provision called lab model. I am the one of the beta tester for the Google lab model. So I will get that screen. I can show you, but it will not available to everybody. It will available only to paid people or people like me who are the testers. It is normally called beta testing, or Google is calling it as a lab model. This is my email. If you compose, it will show on screen. This is the help me write is the AI model. If you click that, it will allow you to write. So here you can write, it will give output. If I click create, it will give one rough draft. If you are happy with that, we can accept or we can reject. So blah blah it will show. So if I insert now, it will create, otherwise I can close. That is the one option of Google Gemini. Other option, this is also Gemini button. This is also a paid model, it is available, but being I am the tester, it is available. This is Ask Gemini. You can ask any questions, even it will search for the mail. And they said they introduced Android also, which is the paid model, which is free model. Actually, I don't know. You can try. But if you are not a paid person, I will tell another method how to improve the mails. Meta. See, immediately it has given a thank mail. So here even it is explaining what are the suggestions they are given. So just copy it and add all your name and everything. Now copy it, paste it, and fill all this bottom. Your organization, wherever we had to give, you can add. If you include that in the command, it will also add those box also. If you are giving the name now, it will automatically add. If you are giving key takeaways or something, it will add. It is like a template it has given. If your prompt is very elaborate and clear now, it will give the full mail. Okay, let us go to next slide, otherwise we will run short of time. Google Gemini, just now I have shown in live demo. This is a screenshot. These also I have shown. It is a screenshot. I have shown the live demo. Now next point is how we can create the wonderful images. Because earlier we had to search for the images, they are copyrighted. Nowadays this nowadays they are copyrighted. So this AI generated messages are not copyrighted, but there is separate discussions are going on whether they should allow AI to create images or not. I can talk about that for 1 hour. For us, whatever images created by these common free mediums, we can use it anywhere, and sometimes they put their logos, and it may be available. Even Meta, it will show Meta images, and anybody can easily understand what is AI created images. But for that, we can use it for our common purposes. So here there are 4 tools I am shortlisted for this class. One is Meta. Meta is Facebook. They will create images. They are wonderful images. As on date, there is no limit or anything, but you cannot create 1,000 images. But generally, it will not show any limit or any restriction to you. Immediately, it will create. That is the first part. I like that very much because there is no restriction. Stable diffusion is open source. You can create any number of images, but normally it is very crowded. Everybody will try to use it. There is no limit as far as I know. You can use it. Then last one is this DALL-E. DALL-E is ChatGPT model. Earlier days, they are also having the paid model. In the free model, a lot of restriction is there. They will allow only some 4 chats or 5 chats. They will allow only 2 images per day, like that. They are having a higher end model and lower end model. The ChatGPT 3.5 is the lower end model, no restrictions. The ChatGPT 4o mini, that's a very powerful model that can create images, everything, but they are limited. It will show only less time. I will show only one quick demo of ChatGPT because that is the talk of the town. You have to register for ChatGPT. Since I already registered, like this it will come. Here also you can draw images or something. I used for several things. This AI tool session planning I have done only through ChatGPT. This is called history. The left hand side what we are shown is normally called history. This is called a prompt bar. Here you can copy. Here it will announce it, and whether you can give thumbs up or thumb down, it will help them to decide whether their output is good or bad. See all these things I created using only this ChatGPT for this session. Even it can create tables. I'm looking for any images there. Recently I created some images. Pardon?
Sir, everything we see is text. How the output can be downloaded, or will there be any link, or will there be output file?
No, nothing. Output can be downloaded only by no AI tool is allowing us to download anything. Output, there is a copy tool is there. I already shown. Anyway, I will show again. This is the copy tool. Now if I click it, only this portion will copy it to the clipboard. Now it is copied to the clipboard. You go to any tool and paste it from the clipboard, it will copy. This is one option. If I create image, here I already created some image. Even today I am sent some messages. This is created by this tool. This is the image I used finally. These 4 images, even just half an hour back, I used for last 30 minutes. This image I included. This also I can show. This image I have taken from here. Here if you click this button, it will show download. Then this image alone will get downloaded. Then I started using Adobe Express. That also today part of the game. I uploaded this image because I don't like this image. Here I want to say 30 minutes everything. Those things are not available. So I went to Adobe Express. This is another free tool. This also paid version is there. Here we can upload this image. Here like this, upload the images. Your step or upload the image. start from a content, then it will show like this. So I have used that image, the black everything Adobe Express made it. Then I used the color. This template is created by not ready-made. It is created by AI. AI in Adobe Express using my image. Please understand correctly. I created one image using Meta. Then I brought that image to Adobe Express. On importing itself, it has given some 3 or 4 templates. Unfortunately, I closed that window. It is not there. It is giving some 3 or 4 options to me. I liked this option. It has black and white photo with the color, wings, everything. Adobe Express has given within 30 seconds. Then I added these comments. These comments are given by, again, Meta. If you go there, Meta has given the comment to me. See, this is a comment. Meta has given me the English. Then I pasted it here. I pasted it here. Then here download button is there. I downloaded and I shared to everybody. Clear? Everything is done with the help of AI. Only as I told you, I am the story, screenplay, dialogue, direction. But I have not directly done any work. This I immediately posted. So immediately I used this image here. See, I used that image and I sent it to everybody. So that is the advantage of using AI. So AI has helped me to create the image. AI has helped me to make templates. AI has helped me to give the text to me, and it has given some 5 or 6 options. I have chosen this option. That is the advantage of using AI for our social media posts. Everything I have done within 15 minutes. Generally, it will take 1 day or 3 or 4 hours even for a graphic artist. So I explained to you about Meta. I explained to you about Gemini. Gemini also will create image, as I told you. Stable Diffusion is open source content. DALL-E I already explained. Yes?
Sir, how about this Alexa or some tools that they are
Alexa also, there are multimodal. AI is called multimodal AI. Certain AI will only text-based input, text-based answer. That is single mode. Some models are we can give inputs via text, we can give input via images, we can give input via voice. These are called multimodal. Alexa is a model like we can give input via voice, it will give answer via voice. They are called Alexa as a small model or short model, whereas ChatGPT, it is a broader model or bigger model, or Alexa is chota model in Hindi, they are bada model, OpenAI, etc. The multimodal, again, very advanced. They can understand the images, they can understand the video. So we can give inputs via text, we can give input via image. Even if I give this image, the AI tool will give the analysis and give the output. It is a parrot, what is the type of parrot, even it is give scientific names, everything. Even if I give my image, whether it is good for YouTube video, it will give its comments. You can change the color, you can change the English, you can change the options, everything it will show. There is a provision to upload the images that I will show. But if I am going to show all the live demo, it will take more time. Here in this attached file, earlier days it is not there. Now they introduced it. In this attached file, you can give the image or PDF. It will take as an input and analyze.
Okay.
What is this? Okay. So multimodal means we can give input in any form. We can give it an image also. we have seen ChatGPT. Now we have seen this. Actually, I have taken from this link. I will when I share the link, you can. They are compared 3 tools: Gemini, Meta AI, and ChatGPT. I like the ChatGPT image. It is a very wonderful, very natural image. They are compared. This Tomskate is very popular for technological articles, and I have taken this image from the Tomskate, and I will provide the link along with the PPT. Now we are going to the second part of the image. This also I already shown. This Adobe Express will help you to create lot of wonderful images. Even Adobe Express itself having the own image creation, but they are not free. Again, they will give only 40 credits or 30 credits. Oh, it is a paid model. Without going to any other tool, you can create AI generated images within Adobe Express. This Canva also very helpful for creating various templates, various images, various etc. The advantage of Microsoft Designer is like Adobe Express. If we give one image, it will give some 10 options or 15 options. We can choose one option. Microsoft Designer also, the free mode very limited. Along with the Copilot paid model, we can use it effectively. This girl image was created by AI, and I used this in Microsoft Designer. Tell me.
Sir, I have some photos when you are using that film model cameras. That time some photos are with a little bit of quality, like a little bit of blur.
Okay, I got the point. Tell me.
Yeah, is it possible to rectify using this templates?
100% possible, but on your own, if you are going to use the template and you are going to correct it now, it will take more time. Definitely, it is not a one-day game. Like the social media, the common topics you can create within 15 minutes. If you are going to work on the real human face, if you want to touch the browser, eyebrow, if you want to touch the nose, if you want to touch the background, all those things, it may take long time. Since you asked the question, in the interest of everybody, I can tell you the latest AI tools can create 2 or 3 things which is not possible 1 month back or 6 months back. My father is a photographer, and it will take years together to touch or change a background. Nowadays, with any AI tool, whether it is OpenAI or any advanced AI tool, it can Microsoft Designer, it will remove the background within fraction of second. For example, your old photo is with a lot of disruption in the background, and the face is completely better. You can clearly remove the background within exactly 5 minutes, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Then you can insert whatever background you want. If you have a wonderful background of your portico or your front reception, you can add it there, and you can add your father's photo, mother's photo. They are no more, but they can be there inside that. You can do on your own within 5 minutes, 10 minutes. If you are going to touch the faces or skin, it will take more time to match the color, match the screen, everything. But it is possible theoretically.
Understood. Thank you.
Okay, enough. We have spoken about images. Only another 10-15 minutes is there. We will speed up. The coding, as I told you, we can do coding. Actually, I have used the earlier days only question and answer. But with the help of HTML, now I have produced plus sign. If somebody is clicking plus, it will expand and give the answer. See, here is a plus sign. Answer is not shown. If somebody is clicking the plus sign, answer will be shown. Here I can give an example. This is possible with HTML code, but it is not possible for a freelancer like me. So earlier days I am not using. One day I asked one of the ChatGPT or Claude. I like Claude. Actually, it was done by Mr. or Todd, I don't know. They are very good in code. I asked them to write a HTML code. For that, I have done some groundwork. I asked the question whether it is possible to expand the question and answer. If somebody is clicking plus, answer should be expanded. It said yes. Then I asked to write a code. It has given the code. Then I tested in the Blogger. 1 or 2 trial attempt, it has started working. Actually, it is there live in my blog. Here I will show just one screenshot quickly. It is live in my blog as on date. But I don't know coding. but with the help of only blogger, I am able to do that. If you people are not visited my blog, I request you to visit my blog. It is a lot of materials. See, this is what I am explaining. Now it is very neat. If somebody is clicking the plus button, immediately answer will come. These things are done by code. The code was given by chatbots. This is live demo. So if already my friend Sridhar is there in the call, Valikana is there. If they are coders, they can write code in HTML, they can write code in C++, they can write code in Python. Even it will, you can ask for ideas. It will give idea. Even if you are not coder, if you are ordinary Excel user, you can ask to give formula. The AI tools will give the wonderful formulas. Very complicated multiple if. If one if it is easy in Excel. If it is two if it is easy. Excel will allow 7 ifs if I remember correct. All the 7 if formula the ChatGPT will give in a right manner. Even if you give the formula, some syntax error is there, it will correct and give the correct command to back to you. That also possible. This is about coding. Now we are going to, somebody wants to know the personal financial planning. So you don't know what is a fund. You want to understand fund. Just type it. Here I have given the content. Give me a list of new age funds. So automatically it has given some passive fund and active fund. Similarly, if you ask them to give the comparison, you can ask to give a neat table comparing two funds. It will give that comparison also. This is the Copilot. I am going to live screen. Here you can give instructions for them to give neat comparison table of two funds.
Sir, you can include in the tabular form, so it will give table also.
Correct, and I will add. I already given comparison table, now it will give.
Oh, okay.
See, I have given, if you use the word comparison table, now automatically it will give the table. That is a beauty. Normally, even I am a mutual fund distributor, it will take half an hour for me to create. But here, by clicking this button, it will create the table. See, it has given the created table. All this information, it is very difficult for us to get it. But only thing, you have to compare whether numbers are right or wrong, you have to recheck. So this is the way you can shortlist funds. Even you can ask for questions like Alama is asking how I can make a personal planning. You can ask some questions to them. My age is 45. I want to get retired in another 10 years. How much money you want to save now? More or less nearest value it will show. It will give at least ideas where to invest. All those ideas it will provide. Definitely it is a wonderful tool for planning with financial things, but you have to vet it. Whether the given output is right or wrong, you have to recheck with another source or something.
Okay.
As I told you, this is the last part of our slide. Maybe in another 5 minutes it will go for end. Then voice to voice. As I told you, we can easily talk to them without typing or anything. We can directly ask the questions. Can you give comparison of ICICI Potential Balance Advantage Fund as well as HDFC Balance Advantage Fund? Now immediately give the answer to you. Like that, voice to voice is possible in ChatGPT. It is available in the Android version as well as Apple version. You can check it. Copilot, they are given it free. Nowadays, as I told you, they are clipping it and it is only available in paid model. Nowadays, it is showing timeout or error. Voice to voice, wonderful. As I told you, if you are not a financial expert, if you don't know code, if you don't know email, just you can talk about God. I had a several chat with ChatGPT about God or about human problems or war. It will immediately answer you. What is the Israel and Lebanon war? Or what is the war between Iran and Israel? It will give the facts. or whatever available to them, it will give. So this is what I am explaining. No need for typing. Immediately you can ask for any questions.
Sir, you have used many tools, and there could be some pros and cons with each tool.
Correct.
So, is there any comparison or
several pros and
suggestions
cons
for
are there. I quickly answer you. People will leave immediately. I will give my feedback window. Those who are already given email ID, no need to give email ID. If anybody logged in today without providing email ID, I request you to give your email IDs in the chat window so that I can share this PPT to all of you. Also, you can ask me any special doubts like this, or in the same form you ask your questions. I will give one-on-one answers to you in more elaborate way. See, since I opened several windows, I got to find out where my things are there. See, this is my link. You can click this link and give your feedback. Don't please forget, definitely give your feedback. And those who are not given your email IDs, please give it. I will not spam too much. Only my YouTube videos or my article only I will share. That also you can unsubscribe if you don't want interest to get that mails. But provide your email IDs. And I am going to close, and I will answer definitely your question.
Thank you, sir. Sir, already email ID is provided in the.
No need to give again. If already whoever registered with me, no need to give. I know a lot of people are there in the call without registering. I need their email IDs. Question answer. Already one person is asked one question. I will answer that question. This is one of my book. Beyond Risky Equities and Sustainable Debit. It is available in Amazon. This is another book. Definitely it is very useful for people who wants to do. Already those who are running SIP, they can understand a lot, because I had written in a very neutral way, without any biases. In a neutral way I have written. It is very useful for those who are already having SIP, or those who want to start SIP. You can reach out to me. And these two Tamil books are free. You can ask me. I will provide the link to you. These are very short guides. It is available in Tamil. Here I request you to follow me in my Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. Definitely to your email ID, I will share this PPT, Gamma PPT. Then you can click the link or take a screenshot and please follow me. I request you to follow me. That is the only obligation I am asking you. And somebody wants to scan through the phone, scan this QR code and give the feedback. In another 4 minutes are there. I will definitely answer that question. A lot of limitations are there. ChatGPT, as I told you, OpenAI ChatGPT is the number one. 3.5 model, it is free. It is only text-to-text model. The advanced model, creating images, voices, everything is called 4O Mini. They are paid model. Free model, every day limit is there. You can use it within that limit. That is one version, ChatGPT. Copilot, these screens are as on date free. The top sidebar, everything. As I told you, this export to Excel, export to Microsoft Word, everything. Now I think they moved to paid model. Free model, still you can chat.
Sir,
That is
your books are available in Kindle?
Kindle, definitely. I want you to buy, sir. I want people like you to buy, read it and give review. I want more review in my Amazon.
Okay.
You give your email ID, I will send that link. Already I have whatever email I sent, one link is there. You give your name and email ID in the chat window. As soon as the call is over, I will send you both Amazon links to you. I request you to buy both Amazon and hybrid.
I already sent my mail ID to you, sir.
Your name, sir?
R. Srinivasan.
R. Srinivasan, okay. I have spoken to you. Your email ID is there. I will send both book links to you, Srinivasan. Thank you for joining.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Then I will finish that before the call will be over in 2 minutes. That is ChatGPT. Copilot will be certain limited. Another tool is called Claude. That is very good. They are also having limitations. Meta as on date free, but Meta will not allow you to upload other than image or any files. It will only give image. It will not allow you to upload. Copilot will allow. Another unknown AI tool I use was Mistral. It is France-based AI tool. It is only text to text. It is very powerful in coding, and I will use it for a lot. There is no visible limitations. Whatever questions I ask, it will answer. It will not show any error or anything. So I use these 5: Claude, Mistral, Gemini, Copilot, and ChatGPT. And if you want further comparison, reach out to me one-on-one. I will explain.
Kannan sir, can you in short, which one is the best one? Which available?
Obviously, ChatGPT is the number one by user-wise, but knowledge-wise, output-wise. I also very much impressed with the ChatGPT outputs. The 4O mini is very powerful.
Is it worth to pay to buy the pay model?
$30 per month. If you are ordinary user, past-time user, I will not recommend you to pay. That is not every year. Every month, $30. $30 you have to pay in Copilot, Gemini, and the OpenAI. If you are corporate, if you are a very heavy user of AI, it may be useful. But part-timers, past-time, I don't think it is worth for Indian context.
Somebody told me for one-time payment of free.
No, but lot of fake applications or even genuine applications are there in the internet. The underlying engine is OpenAI. I think the call will get closed. Even Copilot, the underlying engine is ChatGPT. Now, Copilot is not having the original engine. So like that, lot of AI tools are there in the Google Play Store. But that will not help. In my opinion, these free tools are better. Don't pay money for these paid tools unless otherwise we are sure. Don't get carried away by marketing gimmicks or by Play Store gimmicks.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Any other questions? Thank you for attending.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more engaging content. Feel free to share this video with your friends and colleagues. Visit our blog at Radha Consultancy for exclusive AI-related materials and resources. And don't miss out on our other videos. Check out the Personal Finance SIP session available on this channel. See you in the next one.